Okay, these can be particularly annoying problems to figure out, but I want to point out I bet it has something to do with this series over here, and I'll write this one down for you. And that's going to be 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus yada yada yada. And the truth about this one over here, it's only going to work if this condition is met over here. So the first thing I'll do is I'm seeing this might have something to do with differentiation. So this over here is 1 minus x to the minus 1. And if I were to write that down, that would be like minus 1, and then you get 1 minus x squared in the bottom, right? And then the inside would be minus 1, so I get 1. All right, now let's look at the other side, see how that differentiates, right? What would you get? You'd get 1 plus, well, let's say you'd get 2x, and then you'd get, let's see what you get next. You'd get 3x squared. And I think you get an idea about this, that I do have something over here that looks sort of like that, all right? The only difference now is that, what's the x in the problem? And I'm seeing the n's. I'm seeing 1. Maybe I should put down this over here, x 0. All right, I'm seeing that. And I'm wondering, what would the x be to make it look like what they have over here? And let me write this down for you. What does this thing look like? It looks like, 1/4. And the next one would look like plus 2 over 4 squared. And then it would look like 3 over 4 cubed. I think you get the idea. It's like 1 over 4, 2 over 4 squared, 3 over 4 cubed. And I'm starting to see things sort of like that. But I gotta multiply both sides by x now. Let me put that down for you. So you get x, and then you get 1 minus x squared, and then you'd get 1 times x, and then you're going to get 2 times x squared, then you're going to get 3 times x cubed plus yada yada yada. All right, so I think I'm seeing it, and what I mean by that is if x is 1/4. Well, let me write that down in here, right? So what did you get? On the left side, you get 1/4, and then you get 1 minus 1/4 squared, and that would be 1 times 1/4, which is simply just 1/4. What's the next one going to be? Plus 2 times, well, it's going to be 1/4 squared, so 4 squared. Then it's going to be 3, and then you can get 4 cubed. I think I see it. Right? What do I mean by that? I'm seeing what I want, and I know what the arithmetic is. And by the way, I don't know the arithmetic on the right side, but on the left side, it's fairly simple. What's going to give me 1/4. On the bottom, you get 3/4. 3/4 squared is 9/16. And what's this going to equal? 1/4 times 16 over 9, which is going to be 4/9. So this sum that we just computed over here is actually just 4/9. All right, let's look at the k, see how we did, and see if they got that. We did, 4/9. All right, thank you.